Northern Thailand is famous for a fermented sausage dish called nam, meaning pork with a sour taste. Just thinking about it makes my mouth water. Thanks to this convenient Lobo nam powder, we can have nam ready to eat in just 24 hours. Take half kilograms of lean pork sirloin and 250 grams of cold pork rind. You could use cooked pig's ears instead. You also need 3 tablespoons of chopped fresh garlic and 10 to 20 fresh chilies. Now, if you like spicy food, add more chilies. If not, use less. The most vital ingredient is this Lobo nam powder. Start by mincing the pork. And then chill it in the freezer. When the pork is chilled, take it out of the plastic wrap and mix it with the nam powder and salt. Then rapidly knead the mixture until it has a sticky consistency. But be careful, don't let the mixture warm up, otherwise it will lose some of its moisture content. You can rest assured that the nam powder is clean and safe. Then, add the pork rind, chopped garlic, and chilies to taste. Mix it well. Please do it quickly at this stage too. Then, pack it firmly into a plastic bag and seal it tightly. In the past, they would wrap it in banana leaves to stop the air from getting inside. Nowadays, we use a plastic bag instead for convenience and hygiene. Keep it at room temperature for 24 hours and it will become delicious nam. Very tasty. Cut it up into bite-sized pieces and serve with ginger, peanuts, chilies, limes, and cabbage. It's a delicious snack that only takes seconds to prepare.